The United States bill charge a reduced reciprocal tariff, lowering it from 25% to 18%. Trump posted on his social media platform Truth Social. US President Donald Trump on Monday announced a deal with India that slashes US tariffs on Indian goods to 18% from 50% in exchange for India, halting Russian oil purchases and lowering trade barriers. Trump announced the deal on social media following a call with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, noting that India would now buy oil from the US and potentially Venezuela out of friendship and respect for Prime Minister Modi, and as per his request, effective immediately, we agreed to a trade deal between the United States and India, whereby the United States will charge a reduced reciprocal tariff, lowering it from 25% to 18%. Trump posted on his social media platform, Truth Social. He said PM Modi has committed India to buy American at a much higher level. In addition to buying more than $500 billion worth of US energy, including coal, along with technology, agricultural, and other products, they will likewise move forward to reduce their tariffs and non tariff barriers against the United States to zero, Trump said of India. Until Trump returned to office and raised US tariff rates to double digit level last year, India had some of the world's highest tariff with a simple applied rate of 15.6% and an effective applied tariff of 8.2% according to World Trade Organization. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said the India-US trade deal is a big decision that will benefit everyone in the country, and asserted that his government always works in favor of the nation. The Prime Minister made these remarks at the meeting of the NDA Parliamentary Party coalition MPs present at the meeting said NDA coalition member congratulated Modi for the trade deal with the EU and the US, saying it would strengthen Indian manufacturers, exporters, and entrepreneurs. The India US trade deal agreed upon between US President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi does not compromise the interest of Indian farmers, top government sources, and US President Trump has announced the US India trade deal, pledging to slash tariffs on Indian goods to 18% from 25%, bringing an end to months of uncertainty. The Indian rupee soared on Tuesday after New Delhi and Washington announced a trade deal that slashed US tariffs on Indian goods, a development that turned around indicators that previously pointed to sustained weakness in the currency. Before the deal was announced overnight on Monday, the rupee was caught in a persistent trend of depreciation. The currency has slumped by about 5% since the tariffs went into effect in late August. The rupee recovered sharply on Tuesday and was last up nearly 1.2% on course for its biggest one-day gain in over 3 years. Concurrently, indicators that help investors gauge the future trajectory turn in the currency's favor. The one-month non-deliverable for World Points, which help gauge the path market participants expect the currency to take in the future, drop to 8 paisa, their lowest level in over 3 months. US President Donald Trump said that India has agreed to stop buying Russian oil. He said India agreed to buy more oil from the US and potentially Venezuela. He added that India has agreed to purchase $500 billion worth of US energy, agriculture, coal, and other products under the trade deal. The new tariff structure makes Indian exports cheaper and more competitive in the US market. The Indian stock markets opened higher this morning with Nifty jumping 750 points and Sensex opening 2,400 points higher hours after the much awaited India US trade agreement. Top American leaders said the trade deal announced by US President Donald Trump with close partner India will export more farm products from America to the massive Indian market, and the agreement will also help counter Russian aggression. Congratulations to President Trump for a superb accomplishment on today's trade agreement with India. Senate Foreign Relations Committee Chairman Senator Jim Risch said in a post on X Monday. He said he is very glad to learn that the world's oldest and largest democracy has agreed to reduce trade barriers with the United States, describing India as a close partner of the US with a prominent diaspora in America. Risch said New Delhi is an integral partner in countering China's malign affluence and influence in the Indo-Pacific. Now, under this new agreement, India has pledged to buy American. It will also help the US counter Russian aggression and its work to bring an end to Russia's war against Ukraine by cutting off India's support of the Russian energy sector. Risch said the US Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins thanked Trump for once again delivering for American farmers. New US-India deal will export more American farm products to India's massive market, lifting prices and pumping cash into rural America, she said in a post on X, noting that in 2024, America's agricultural trade deficit with India was $1.3 billion. She said India's growing population is an important market for American agricultural products, and the deal will go a long way to reducing this deficit. America's first victory on top of the dozen of deals for agriculture, she said. The India-US trade deal adds meaningful momentum to India's growth ambitions and supports the country's ambition to be a globally competitive manufacturing and innovation hub, industry leaders said on Tuesday, reacting to the trade agreement between the two countries. Mahindra Group CEO and Managing Director Anish Saha welcomed the development, terming it as a significant step forward in strengthening bilateral trade and investment ties with the Indian economy on a strong growth trajectory. This deal adds meaningful momentum to India's growth ambitions, he noted. Saha further said the immediate reduction in reciprocal tariffs on Indian export to 18%, along with the commitment to progressively lower tariff and non-tariff barriers, will boost growth, momentum and improve the predictability businesses need to invest with confidence. Expressing similar views, Aditya Birla Group Chairman Kumar Mangalam Birla said the reduced tariffs will help strengthen the strategic and economic ties between the two great countries and provide additional opportunities for investment and collaboration, stating that the Aditya Birla Group is the largest Indian investor in the US. He said, "We see this agreement help shape more resilient supply chain, unlock manufacturing opportunities, and drive long-term economic competitiveness in both the US and India." Prime Minister Narendra Modi today thanked US President Donald Trump on behalf of the 1.4 billion people of India for reducing tariffs on Indian goods from 25% to 18%. Indian refiners will need a wind-down period to complete Russian oil deals before imports from that country can be halted, and they have so far not been ordered by the government to stop such import. Two refining sources told news agency Reuters. US President Donald Trump on Monday announced a trade agreement with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi that included a halt to Indian oil purchases from Russia. Indian companies have already booked cargoes loading in February and arriving in March show a wind down period would be needed to fulfill existing commitment, the sources said. They spoke on condition of anonymity because they were not authorized to speak with the media. The trade deal with India would slash US tariffs on Indian goods to 18% from 50% in exchange for Indian lowering trade barriers and stopping its purchasing